So I came home from grocery shopping today, and this is what I walked into, which is fantastic. I guess Rich felt like taking on a remodel of a pop-up, which the pop-up was really nice, but there was a little bit of water damage. So he was looking on YouTube for how to repair that little bit of water damage. I guess this was the result of what he figured he could do. So hopefully in like a generous 7 days, this will be complete. At least the top will be complete and it'll be back together. Up there in the corner you see where there was water damage. So we have to take that down, and in order to take that down, you pretty much got to take the whole top off. So right now he's and putting it back up. Back further. There we go. So that's how far. And we're just gonna cross our fingers that it doesn't. I've got plans for the curtains and the beds and stuff like that, and how to make those better and more comfortable. We're gonna get a vent, since we got it all apart, for the ceiling, and you can just retrofit that in as well. We were following the Pop-Up Princess on Instagram and Facebook. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, which would have been very helpful because she has a lot of good ideas. And they have an entire pop-up remodel on the roof as well. So we have to pretty much read that tutorial and not actually watch it. So that's the project for this weekend. And I guess I'll be posting the finished product next year, in case anybody knows us. But that's that, and I'll see you later.